Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn post notifications on.
Alright guys, so today we are on our way to a car meeting. We have like a 2.5-hour drive.
That's a long drive. But I mean, I'm excited because I've actually never been to a car meet, so I'm like, I want to see how it goes and everything. And hopefully it's fun, like this guy says it is.
Yeah, they get pretty lit.
We'll see.
People get arrested, burn out.
That's not people getting arrested, not people, but okay. I'm just kidding. But yeah, hopefully it's fun, and like he said, it's a 2-hour drive, so stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, finally.
Buddy, walk. Car meet day.
Babe, I'm shy.
She's shy, guys.
Yeah, it was pretty fun.
I got my burnouts.
Yeah, like once we were leaving, he did a couple of them. There was a lot of people. Like I didn't expect this many people to be here, but there was a lot.
Yeah, I would do this every Friday night.
When you used to live over here? Before you moved to me.
And then I wanted to bring her for her first time.
Yeah.
Did you like it?
I did. It was pretty fun.
If you guys have car meets where you guys live, I recommend go to them because they're pretty fun.
I mean, if you guys like cars and like things to do with cars, then yeah.
Just remember, always be safe when you're.
Yeah, you guys have to be safe. Be responsible of what you guys do all the time.
Yep.
So yeah, I think this is gonna be it. We're gonna go pick up baby Liam because I miss him very, very, very much. And hey guys, so it's next day. I hope you guys are having a great start to your morning. We're pretty sleepy. Yeah, I am too, but we got some Starbucks. I'm almost done with mine. This is really good, you guys. Wait. This one's yours. I meant this one is mine, and it's really good.
Yeah, she's still sleeping.
It's a white mocha. My cousin actually put me on this drink. You know who you are. It's what is it again? It's a white mocha, cold foam, caramel drizzle, and with sweet cream. It's really good. I think this is like my new favorite drink. So thank you to you.
I'm still hooked on my caramel macchiato.
With soy milk. He always gets that. But yeah, you guys, it's as I already said, it's the next morning. We're heading back home. Another 2-hour drive. Yay for us. Yeah, we are actually pretty sleepy because yesterday we didn't end up sleeping like until 1.
And then this morning, Liam wakes us up at like
7.
7.
Yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see, but looking a little weird and crazy right now. I like took off my makeup last night, but I was so sleepy. I just wanted to like fall asleep, and I didn't take off my eyeshadow, so I still have some eyeshadow. But yeah, just ignore that. But yeah, we have some things to do today too. So we have to get home, get ready, and go there. It's not until 1, and it's like it's 9 right now, so we have time. So we'll probably. I mean, it's not like something exciting that we have to do. It's kind of like.
It's like personal.
Yeah, it's just like personal, and like even though it's not like. I don't know, like it's not really close to us. Like when I found out, I still got really sad about it because, you know, somebody of my family is involved. Well, in our family is involved. So yeah, I don't know if we'll bring you guys along. If we don't, we'll just bring you guys along with the rest of our day. But if we do bring you guys along to that, you guys will know what I'm talking about and see why. It's, you know, sad. Like when I found out, I couldn't sleep that night. I was like, dang. Like I know it's not super close to me, but just thinking of this situation, like how we have a son now, it's just like sad. But yeah, just stay tuned, and we'll see you guys later on during the day.
About last night, the car meet, we didn't really vlog because there was like too much things going on like at once. And then I don't know, we were just like living the moment, enjoying the night there.
Yeah.
Then like, I don't know, I just started doing burnouts, and then my brother just started doing burnouts. So I don't know, we were just like having fun.
Yeah, it was fun. I liked it. Maybe next time I'll bring my sisters, a couple friends, and it'll be funner. Because it was just his brothers and his friends. Like, the only people I knew were his brothers. So, I mean, it was kind of awkward at first because I was like the only girl there, and I don't really like being the only girl around guys. But, I mean,
it was my friends. I haven't seen them in like months, almost a year.
Yeah, so
it was a pretty.
It was
good
cool.
night.
Yeah. So yeah, we'll see you guys later today. Stay tuned. Alright, you guys. So we made it to my parents' safe. Finally done with that 2-hour drive. Guinness. Guinness, Liam. No, man. He saw my mom getting here and he's running to her. Alright, you guys, so it's almost the end of our day. It's almost time for us to go to sleep, actually. Did you even come and you finished it all? That's good. So we're eating a little snack. Yeah, some maruchan. I'm actually really tired. Like, I don't know why I feel drained today.
That's how I felt all day.
Really? And you said because of coffee?
Yeah.
Really? I thought coffee was supposed to wake you up.
It does the opposite to me.
But yeah, you guys, we're at our house now. and we're just eating some maruchan. Liam is sleeping. That's why we're talking kind of soft. I really hope you guys can hear us though. But yeah, he's sleeping right now. They didn't really get to see Liam, huh? Like as much?
No.
You guys didn't really get to see Liam in this video. But maybe we'll vlog tomorrow again. Well, maybe we'll vlog again our day tomorrow. And if we do, you guys will see him there. I promise you.
Because we're gonna go look at Halloween costumes for him.
Yeah. Well, we don't know if we'll actually get one tomorrow, but we're gonna go like
Start looking.
Yeah, start looking. For when we're actually ready to get one, we'll kind of have an idea of like what we want to get for him. Because we still want to dress him up. You know, take some pictures of him. Do him a little spooky basket.
Him a little spooky basket.
Because honestly, we don't let this whole pandemic stop us
Yeah,
from doing things.
like we try to like do other things to replace whatever we can't do.
Yeah.
But they're opening the movie theater like where we live now. It's so exciting. I just saw it like on Facebook and I was like, dang, maybe someone will take me.
Me.
Yeah, you go. But yeah, guys, okay, let me take a bite of this. Some horchata. I mean, horchata. It's Jamaica, not horchata. Alright guys, so I think this is going to be it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it.
See you guys till next time.
Yeah, thank you for your guys' support. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.
Peace. The necessities. She's sneakily getting more food.
I'm hungry.